Yeah, elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the 20th day of my 100 days of YouTube videos, and I'm just here to give you an update on the skincare products that I bought for my face and how they've been working. I can see improvement, but not rapid, like just little by little. Right now I just finished having my bath. So my face is really dry, and I got a pimple this morning, but whatever. So I'll just put you all through it. So yeah. So what I usually do at first is I wash my face with the tea tree oil. I noticed I was using this every day and my face was getting really dry. So now I use it like once a week. So yeah, so anyways, I'm just going to put a pump, like 2 pumps. Once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to damp my face. Make sure my face is damp like this, and then I'm going to just massage it with my face. So once I'm done doing that for like a minute, I'm going to wash up my face with water. So once I'm done washing my face, I like to use a clean cloth to just dab my face. I don't like using a towel, but if you have a clean towel, you can. Like so, just dab like pats on your face. Sorry, I'm looking at the mirror. So once my face is dried, I'm going to use the simple cleanser. The simple soothing facial cleanser to clean my face. I'm applied using a cotton pad. You have to clean your face upwards, like not downwards. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do. Rather, that's what I've been doing. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this, and then like so. Don't forget to clean your neck, like that is a must. You must clean your neck always. And also I like cleaning the back of my ears too. Yeah, so once that is done, I'm going to allow this dry for like less than a minute or a minute, and then I'm going to apply. I want to get a very good vitamin C oil. The last time I went to the supermarket, like I was searching for, and I didn't see a very good one. Like the brand I saw, I wasn't too sure about it. So I was like, yeah, I'll keep on searching. So yeah, so right now what I use on my face is this my water. Like anyways, because when I was washing my face, everything got wet. Anyways, I'm going to use the Farmers Clean Success Fade Milk. I use it to moisturize my face. I know they have the face cream which is thicker, but for now I'm just using this, and I really like it. Like yeah, so that's just it. I just put this amount, and then like this, and once I'm done, I'm just like, this is actually too much. Please don't use this much. I don't know how I happen to make it so much. I'm just going to dab a little on my face like this. Then because I put so much, I'm going to like just rub the rest on my hand so that yeah, it won't waste. So what I'm going to do is just going to massage on my face. Just going to massage my face upward. Yeah, I can see the dryness is reducing ever since I stopped using the facial wash every day. I don't know why I was using it twice a day in the first place. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. updated, and so stay updated with my skincare journey. And yeah, please also leave a comment if you have any recommendations for any skincare products that you have. Okay, yeah, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, please become part of my 100 days of YouTube videos family. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Let them know who got the crown, girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it.